test this Movmax carbon fiber car mount for a camera. So let's check it out. Let's see how good it is. Coming up right now. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. This is the Movmax adjustable telescopic rod. This is for the Insta360 or for a 360 camera, any 360 camera. It comes with a bag to carry it. Movmax is amazing. And this is the mount. Man, it looks amazing. So this is a 5-inch suction cup mount. And this is the thing to make a suction to the windshield. Comes with a protection, a cap. You can remove this one when you put it on the car. So this is 5-inch suction cup mount. This is 3.5-inch, and you can lock it down like this with this in here. Cool. And you can make it tight, adjust it, move it up and down, up and down. And this is a carbon fiber, so it is super light. That's amazing. And the rod, this one, you can stand it like this. The rod is 1 meter, so 3.3 feet long. So it's time to test it. So let's put it on the car and let's make some cool shots. So this is what it comes inside of the box. The mount is already placed. You have to push this button until the button doesn't come out again, so make sure it is strong. And this one, it has a lock in here. Okay, it's strong. So this one, it has this lock. Make sure this one is tight, and it has two. Make sure these two are tight too. These two. This one, make sure this one is tight. 1, 2. You can put the camera here. Okay, and to put the camera, it has this, like a thread for the screw, and the screw is over here. So this one has a round circle that you can screw it in, like this. And like that, it's already tight. That's how to put the camera. This setup is perfect for rolling shots, car-to-car clips, and creative solo angles. The Reach gives you those wide cinematic shots that really pop. For $120, you get the carbon fiber rod and the dual suction cup mount. That's crazy good value. It's solid, easy to use, and just works. For the price, this combo gives you pro-level stability and flexibility. Perfect for car shots, vlogs, or 360 content. The Movmax setup is a steal. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment if you tried this setup, and subscribe for more camera reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video.